haere ke nei ko te reihi tahirau whitu te kaumā whitu mō ngā wahine te kaumā iwa te pakeke heke iho. Taki ono ruarau rima te kaumita te takere finals. Lane 1 is Rotorua Lakes High School. Sacred Hearts is sitting out in lane number 2. Tuakau College in 3. Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Horauta Wānanga in 4. Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Porirua in 5. Manukura in 6. Otaki College in 7. Waiheke High School in 8. Gisborne Girls High School in 9. Mount Maunganui College in 10. Kaipara College in 11. And Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Wairarapa in 12.
Tū ana ko te haki mai tēnei wā. Red flag, our girls probably hoping for a rolling start, as long as they come up together. Unfortunately, unsuccessful in the rolling start e te whānau. Kua tū te haki pango. Tohu ana ke hoki whakamuri. Trying to get it as even as possible. Kua tū te haki kākāriki, tēnei te reihi, ko tahirau, whitu te kaumā whitu. Under 19 girls W6, 250 metres e te whānau.
Awesome start on the inside lanes here in lane number 1. Oh, there's little Patricia. Taku I Raumatu no Lakes High School. Mihiana kia koe above. Lane number 2's pushed forward though. Sacred Heart girls on the inside of them. Lane number 6 on screen now. That's Manukura Kokotea. Nice start across the course. Lane number 2's just pushed forward in front of the rest of the pack. Sacred Heart Girls College.
Lanes 5 and 6, Manukura me te kura Māori o Porirua Kapiti. Pakanga tonu ana. This is where they jack in the turbo.
Push the nos, Baranei. Empty the tanks. Because we know that each and every one of these young ladies on the water wants to be crowned national champions. And very, very shortly, we're going to see exactly who that's going to be. Engari he pakanga kai te haere. Oh, 6-5 is catching them though on the inside. Is it 6? Is it 5? Hika ma. Look like to my eyes, lane number 6. Lane number 6, Manukura Kokotea.
Tuarua pea ko te kura Māori o Porirua Kapiti. National champions, under 19 girls, te takere final. Manukura Kokotea.
Chucking up the M's for mean Māori mean. Mean Māori Manukura mana wahine.
Ana e te iwi, te tōwaitanga, te reihi ko tahirau, whitu te kaumā whitu. Hukere ana I te ara tuatahi. As we get to halfway, we see 2, 5 and 6. Fighting for it. Ka tahi, ka whiua te turbo. Ooh.
Awesome stuff by these Manukura wahine. But here now are the official results for race 177, the under-19 girls W6 250 metre te takere finals. Your gold medal recipients, Manukura Kokotea with 114.76. Silver will be awarded to Te Kura Māori o Porirua Kapiti with a time of 114.93. And bronze will go home with Waiheke Island girls, 115.89.